The Longcast Lance has both a long, powerful jet and a wider fan. It's ideal for blasting mud out of wheels and tracks or reaching tall vehicles. Just pull back on the handle to switch from the jet to the fan. The Longcast does not draw soap for foam application. It puts out high pressure water only. The Longcast foam head produces a long stream of foam or water. It's used for getting soap into tricky to reach places. Twist the head to switch between high pressure for a water jet or low pressure for foaming. For foaming with a high flow rate machine, you'll need the foam blaster. Other foamers can't stand up to the high flow rates, but the foam blaster operates between 20 and 60 litres a minute. It doesn't have the throwing distance of the Longcast foam head, rather it's designed specifically for high flow and generates a large volume of foam.